Ito yung Prime Asia Hotel. Ayan, check-in kami guys. Sa third floor kami, room 309. Yung kinukuha naming room guys is family room. Tanan, ayan yung room nila guys. With 2 beds. Ayan. Tapos may extra sila na pillows and sheets. A blanket guys para sa extra family members na kasama nyo. Ayan. May 3 bottled water silang kasama guys. Okay, dito yung bathroom nila guys. Malaking mirror, taas ng sink. Ayan, malinis. May mga toiletries na rin. Malinis siya. Mga towels. Tapos dito yung shower. Malaki yung shower with hot water. Tapos may hair dryer na rin guys with small mirror kung gusto mong makeup. Ayan, may whole body mirror din para pang aura. I-enjoy yung anak ko guys. Nagustuhan naman yan. Ayan. Tapos makikita mo outside the window from the 3rd floor. Ayan, makikita mo mga puno sa baba. Maganda yung view. Sa lobby guys, dito mo makikita yung coffee shop. May coffee shop sila, may ano din, may halal restaurant. Yung mga Muslim ng kapatid natin, ay pwede silang kumain sa lobby. Dito yung mga dessert nila, may coffee, cookies, muffins, cakes, different kind of drinks. Yan. Looks yummy guys. Medyo may kamahalan nga lang konti yung presyo nila. Ayan.
I said my name is Johnson. Everything.
Blueberry muffins, croissant. Ayan. Nice. Dito yung anak ko guys. Nakapili na siya ng tinatawag niyang blueberry muffin or slash choco muffin with cookies and cream na drink. Ayan. Tapos sa 3rd floor nila guys, ayan, dito mo makikita yung reservoir with swimming pool. Gusto mo mag-swimming, make sure nga may dala kang pang swimming dahil bawal sa kanila yung nakamaong or hindi nakapang swimming outfit. Ayan. Nakakaganda yung swimming pool nila guys. Maiinitan ka, lalo na ngayon, mainit na panahon, masarap yung pwede kayong mag-night swimming, pwede rin sa umaga. Yan. So far, my impression is nagustuhan ko.